Is your Lenovo keyboard refusing to cooperate? Don't worry, we've got super simple fixes. First up, let's check the basics. If you're on a laptop, plug in a USB keyboard. If that one works, your laptop keyboard might be the troublemaker. Using an external keyboard? Try a different USB port. Sometimes ports just need a nap. If nothing's working, search for on-screen keyboard in the Start menu. It's your backup keyboard on the screen. Next, let's run the Windows Keyboard Troubleshooter. Head to Settings, then Update and Security, then Troubleshoot. Click Keyboard, then run the troubleshooter. Easy. Still stuck? Time to update or reinstall your keyboard drivers. Right-click the Start button, go to Device Manager, and find Keyboards. Right-click your keyboard, select Update Driver, and let Windows do its thing. If that fails, try Uninstall Device, restart your computer, and Windows should fix it for you automatically. Now, type away. And remember, sometimes even keyboards just need a little reboot.